Hey everyone, my name is Ruth. I am an environmental scientist working on getting my PhD at Louisiana State University. Today I'll be showing you how to build a tool called a pollution catcher. Air pollution is caused by suspended particles and gases in the air. Air pollution comes from cars, factories, dust, volcanoes, and so much more. Different areas may have different levels of air pollution. So let's get an idea today of what is in the air around us. After I build this tool, I'm going to put my pollution catcher in my neighborhood. You can put it in your neighborhood too. Or you can put it at your school, your job, or in a park, a nearby factory. While you decide, let's just build this tool. All you need is a paper plate, 4 paper clips, and petroleum jelly. I'll be wearing gloves, but you really don't need them. First, we're going to turn our paper plate upside down and put 4 holes in it, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. Next, we will put the 4 paper clips into our holes. You can flip the paper clips out like this. Then put the smaller side into the paper plate and let the larger side hang out. Once the paper clip is through the hole, you can bend it like so, and this will tighten it around the paper plate. The larger side hanging out will be used to hang your paper plate somewhere. In my case, I'll be hanging it to a fence. You'll see soon. Now that we're done that, put your paper plate face up and let's get to the fun part. We will grab a significant amount of the petroleum jelly and rub it all over the paper plate. The petroleum jelly is a big part of this tool because it's sticky enough to catch particulate matter. Once we're done that, our tool is ready to go. So go ahead and stick it outside anywhere that you want. All right, y'all, it's now 3 days later, and I want to show you what my pollution catcher caught. Let's go on a trip. Look at this. Wow. So ideally, you would want the air to be so clean that no matter how long you leave the plate outside, it doesn't catch any particles that you can see. On the other hand, look at all this. Look at all this on the pollution catcher. This is all part of the air we breathe. This is part of what is going into our bodies when